I'm just calling to say I
am so drunk.
Hi, Jawable! This makeup look is inspired by Leia Halton. Alam kong kilala niyo siya. Come join me achieve her makeup look. Yung uunahin ko siguro is yung lips ko kasi dapat siyang i-prep. Dapat i-prep yung lips natin before starting. Next is cover our imperfections kasi may mga impurities tayo dito. We're humans, guys. May mga impurities talaga tayo. Next is concealer. Kasi kita nyo naman, sobrang ganda ng ano niya. Sobrang flawless ng under eyes niya. So, yun din yung gagawin natin. For our foundation, yung ilalagay ko is very thin lang. After nyan is, isaset ko yung face ko, yung under eye ko with this Dr. Sensitive na Sebum Blur Powder. Pang ano lang. Mag-liquid blush ako using this Focolor Red One blushers. And dito ko siya ilalagay. Diyan. Buti sana kung inuna ko to, no? Ay, naku. Uy, buti at na-blend, hindi tumigas sa setting powder. Okay, after that is a contour stick. This is from Vice Cosmetics. Tagal na nito sa akin. At ang tagal din yung naubos. Let me work on that. Tagay natin dito yung iba. Hala! Mag-brush natin yung sinet natin na powder. Para hindi ma-overbake. Iko-contour natin yung ilong natin kasi hindi tayo binigayaan na ganun kakandang ilong. Nasaset natin yung face natin with powder. After that, magpa-powder contour tayo. Tapos yung contour, ididiretso ko na dito. Yan. And after that, for the eyes, maglalagay lang ako ng matte highlighter dito. And that's it. Ay, before I forget, blush pala. Una natin ng blush dito. Ito na yung sa mata, nothing special. Ito lang yung gagawin ko sa mata ko. And I'll just add a wing liner. And dito ko lang siya, hanggang dito ko lang siya ilaline. So, a thin liner. Thin daw. Hala. Ito ba yung scene mo? Tapos kung mapapansin nyo yung ano niya, yung lashes niya, talagang nakatayo lashes. Hintayin natin matuyo yung mascara ko kasi i-curl natin siya. While waiting for my mascara to set, to dry, gagawin natin yung kilay ko. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo sa kilay niya, parang siya, laminated brows. Let's try to mimic that eyebrow look. Glue. This is from Polish. And then gagamit ako ng eyebrow pen. And I think our lashes are dry, so i-curl natin siya. Okay, good luck. Good luck sa pag-curl ng lashes. Iipit to for sure. Uy, gusto ko ng mas mataas pa na lashes. Gagamitin ko tong sa kay Kimuse. Tingnan natin kung magle-lengthen ba yung lashes ko dito. Second coat. Sa lips ko, yung gagamitin ko is para sa aking lip liner, ito yung gagamitin ko. This is a brow liner from Careline. Hindi ko kasi siya ginagamit sa kilay ko, so might as well magamit siya. So, ginagamit ko siya dito sa lips ko. And as you can see, ang ganda ng lip liner niya, best. Lip line din siya dito. Medyo plump yung lips niya. And this will make your lips look plump. Now for our lips, yung ginamit natin sa cheeks natin kanina, yung liquid blush, gagamitin ko siya dito sa aking lips. And to make it look juicier, just like her lips, gagamit ako ng serum lip oil from Everbalena. Gagamit ako ng ibang lip applicator kasi ayokong makulayan yung doe foot ng yung original doe foot niya, ayokong makulayan. By the way, this is a tinted lip oil. So, pag nilagay mo siya, nagpipink siya on your lips. You can also use this alone. Ang ganda na niya, alone. Okay, bago tayo mag-highlighter, lalagyan ko ulit yung, yung lashes ko. This is the 4th application. Now we're on to our highlighter. Charan! And this is it! Yeah. Ganito siya tignan pag nasa shade ka lang. I really had fun doing it and I really love the eyes. Also, I'm obsessed with the lips. And I guess what I did is not bad. Nagustuhan ko naman yung result na makeup. I hope you do too. So yun lang. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. Details are in the description box below. Thank you, Jawa Balls. Bye! Wait, why am I whispering?